Hello everybody, XJoe81X, and on the tubes today and tomorrow, we're going to be showing you some old typewriters. Here they are side by side, and I will be making one video on the oldest and a second video on the newest. To my right is a very old, let me get my cheat sheet here, 1930s Remington Rand Model 1. I did some research on eBay, and I'll discuss it in a minute. And then we have our 1960s to 70s, give or take 63 to 70, our Smith and Corona 210 automatic. These two typewriters were found in my grandmother's house. If you've been watching my channel and also JK18's, you would have determined or possibly figure out that unfortunately my grandmother got to a certain age where she could not, unfortunately, take care of herself. So they sold the house, a lot of things went all over the place, and I found these two typewriters that I took possession of. I've cleaned them up and did other stuff and vacuumed them. This is just dust because it sits somewhere. And so we're going to unbox this and take a gander and look on the internet and see what it is, see how much it is or what kind of condition. So what we have here is a nice hard case, leather sort of strap that they don't make no more, with like horse buckles, you know, like leather. Some stuff here. Let's see underneath. It's all kind of, maybe I didn't lock it in. Anyway, it's all kind of just there. It's showing wear and tear. It's probably peel and stick stuff. The back, there's no labels, hinges, no labels. A couple of personal labels of my grandmother's name. And yeah, and so we just hit the clasp here, which if you hit the wrong way and it takes your knuckle, it hurts, because I've done it. Okay. Yeah. This kind of goes back. We'll show you the stuff later. I pulled this stuff out too. Just looks like testing paper. So we have, we'll show that later. This is probably a paintbrush, but back in the day, maybe it was used to dust. This is it. Model 1. Remington Rand. And this was a sticker. It says, excuse my hand, Aristan Typewriter Service, expert repairs in Brooklyn. So I don't know if this sticker was something that came with this. I don't know if this typewriter was purchased here, but I could tell you that, I don't know, man. When I see the typewriter like this, I think of like the old school days when you hear the ping, zip, ping, zip, you know, like the old sport writers. This is like sitting on your lap. Shift. Wow. Look how mechanical this is, huh? Shift lock. So, yep, locks it. Hit it again. Backspace. I don't see. Yeah, this is probably winding tab. Shift still on the side. Holds the paper. Turns the paper. This holds the stuff in or winds it. Kind of doesn't want to go back, so I'm sure they lift up. Yep. These are just caps. They lift up. Oh, they have a locking thing, sorry. This is... So I probably buy these two things, dump them in the middle, and then when one side is empty, you probably throw this out. And this, you don't see the mechanism moving. See if I can put a piece of paper in here. So I got a little piece of paper in here, and for everybody who likes to see the mechanism. Huh, it's green. Let me get you guys a little zoomage, just smidges. Oh, the shifter's not moving. It's just typing over itself. Let me see if I can play with it off camera. Nothing much. This is kind of cool. Whoa! Everybody! Whoa! Whoa! This also comes out. Oh, ciao for now. Ciao for now. Zip! So you hold these two tabs. Yeah, there's two tabs right here. You know. Pick it up. Alright, pull it out. Pop! There we go. There's a tab in the back. Two tabs here. And then you could move it out of the way. And then you could put it on your lap or someplace where it's more permanent. I'll show you the mechanism. It's a lot of moving parts. So all these keys are metal. They all push down. And then, like a piano, they push forward, which is right here. Space bar. So there might be some broken parts. No, actually, maybe something just springs. This spring looks lighter than this spring, but stuff that spins, stuff that needs to be oiled maybe. Here's a spring and sprockets, rubber mats, rubber feet. Really nothing crazy underneath here, just very mechanical. Nothing that, this is great. I love this, just lifts the whole thing. That's so great. Sorry, excuse me. There's really nothing else here. There's not a lot of stuff on it. This is just quick. It's about $100, $200. You got this thing going for $3.99. I clicked on some things, and then you kind of lose it. These are not the things. Couple bucks. This is not even it. But I clicked on it, trying to get a workup on it. This is, like I said, just eBay. This is not like Googling. Excellent condition. So and so. No one could really tell me what this is. Not what it is, excuse me. There's no real, whatever. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. This looks like from 1933, 1935, 30s, in the 30s. This is the Remington Rand Model 1. Would this be considered a manual typewriter? Because the ribbons move. And it's funny, it's like, I wonder if the ribbons, there's no mechanics. I wonder if you have to like physically, like move the ribbon to get ink. And then You type. Oh, hold on, need more ink. But it might move. There's other stuff down there. There's schmutz down there, but this is a cool find. Stay tuned for tomorrow for the other one.